If your closet feels like it's constantly overflowing, you're definitely not alone. Small closets can quickly turn into chaotic spaces where clothes pile up, shoes disappear, and finding what you need becomes a daily struggle. But the good news is, you don't actually need a bigger closet, you just need a smarter one. Today we're breaking down the 5 best closet organizers for small spaces that can instantly maximize storage, save space, and make your closet look clean and organized. From adjustable closet systems to hanging organizers that add extra shelves in seconds, these solutions are designed to use every inch of space efficiently. Many modern systems even combine rods, shelves, and drawers to create compact storage solutions perfect for apartments and small homes. All the links to these products are in the description below, so make sure to check them out if you want to upgrade your closet setup. Now let's start.
This video is presented to you by Trusty Picks.
Before choosing a closet organizer, there are 3 important things you should consider. First is vertical space. The best organizers for small closets take advantage of unused vertical areas by adding shelves or multi-level rods. Second is adjustability. Modular systems allow you to customize shelf height and rod placement depending on what you need to store. And finally, installation type. Some organizers are freestanding or hanging, which is perfect for renters, while others require wall installation for a more permanent setup. Choosing the right type depends on your closet size and how much customization you want. Number 5. Songmix Closet Organizer System. Let's start with something that's perfect for people who want a full closet system without taking up too much space. The Songmix Closet Organizer System is designed specifically for small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, or compact closets. Instead of relying on just one rod or shelf, this organizer combines multiple storage options in one compact structure. You get hanging space for clothes, shelves for folded items, and sometimes even fabric drawers for smaller accessories. What makes this organizer stand out is its vertical storage design. Instead of spreading storage horizontally, it stacks everything upward so you can use unused vertical space inside your closet. Another big advantage is how easy it is to set up. Most Songmix systems are freestanding, meaning you don't need to drill into walls or permanently install anything. So if you're renting or just want a quick upgrade, this organizer is a great place to start. Number 4. Simple Houseware 5-Shelf Hanging Closet Organizer. If your closet already has a hanging rod but lacks shelving, this next option is a total game changer. The Simple Houseware 5-Shelf Hanging Closet Organizer instantly adds multiple shelves without any installation. You simply hang it on your closet rod, and suddenly you have 5 extra compartments for storing sweaters, jeans, bags, or accessories. What makes it even better is the extra side pockets, which are perfect for smaller items like socks, scarves, or belts. Hanging organizers like this are incredibly effective because they use vertical closet space that usually goes unused, allowing you to store more items without taking up any additional floor space. This makes it perfect for small closets where every inch matters, and since it's lightweight and foldable, it's also a great solution for college students or frequent movers. Number 3. Closet-Made Sweet Symphony Wood Closet Organizer. If you want something that looks more like a custom closet system, this next option might be your favorite. The Closet-Made Sweet Symphony Wood Closet Organizer is designed to transform a standard closet into a structured storage system with shelves, rods, and compartments. What makes this organizer stand out is its adjustable design. You can customize shelf heights, reposition rods, and adjust the layout depending on what you need to store, whether it's long dresses, folded clothes, or shoes. Another great thing is the solid wood construction, which gives your closet a more premium and built-in appearance compared to fabric organizers. So if you want something that feels like a mini walk-in closet system, this is a fantastic upgrade. Number 2. Rubbermaid Configurations Custom Closet Kit. Next up, we have one of the most flexible closet systems available. The Rubbermaid Configurations Custom Closet Kit is an adjustable wire closet system that can fit closets ranging from about 4 to 8 feet wide. The biggest advantage of this system is its modular design. You can move shelves, adjust rods, and reconfigure the layout whenever your storage needs change. That means if you buy more clothes or reorganize your wardrobe, you can simply adjust the system instead of buying a new organizer. It also features expandable shelving and telescoping rods, which makes installation easier and allows the system to adapt to different closet sizes. Because of its flexibility and durability, this system is a popular choice for both small reach-in closets and larger wardrobe spaces. Number 1. Whitmore Double Rod Closet Organizer. And finally, our number one pick is a simple but incredibly effective solution. The Whitmore Double Rod Closet Organizer is designed to double your hanging space instantly. Instead of relying on a single rod, this organizer adds a second rod underneath, allowing you to hang shirts, pants, or jackets in 2 rows. For small closets, this can make a huge difference because most clothing items don't actually require full vertical space. By splitting your closet into 2 levels of hanging storage, you can store significantly more clothing without expanding your closet at all. Many versions also include extra shelving on the sides, which is perfect for shoes, bags, or storage bins. If your closet is mostly used for hanging clothes, this organizer can instantly maximize your storage capacity. So, that wraps up our list of the best closet organizers for small spaces. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.